Hey guys, welcome back for another wash day. In today's video, I'll be using the Easy on the Curls shampoo and conditioner from the Main Choice. I'll also be using the 3-in-1 conditioner and biotin infused styling gel to create my hairstyle. So let's get into it. Now, the Easy on the Curls shampoo and conditioner are formulated to be both detangling and hydrating. So this helps to cut my wash day in half, and it removes all of that buildup. Not only does it remove buildup, but it helps remove the knots and tangles, making the detangling process a breeze. After I've left the conditioner in my hair for about 3 to 5 minutes, I'm going to rinse it out and follow up with the 3-in-1 Revitalize and Refresh conditioner. Y'all, when I tell you this product is legit, like, you need this in your favorite stash. You can use this as a co-wash. You can also use it as a leave-in conditioner, and you can also use it, if your hair's dry and you need something to detangle with, you can also use this product for that. That's why they call it the 3-in-1. So what I'm doing here is applying the product throughout my hair, detangling with my Denman brush, and I'm going to seal it in with an oil. You can use whatever oil that you like. I'll be doing a chunky braid out and wrapping the ends around small perm rods to achieve the curls for my hairstyle. So for the front section of my hair, I'm just going to create a diagonal part starting from just above my ear, halfway across the front of my head. I'm going to go back later and create a twist for that section. Now I'm going to use the Crystal Orchid Biotin Infused Styling Gel. Smells so good. But I'm going to smooth it throughout that front section of hair. By the time I got to this point, I was like, darn it, I should have used this to add some additional hold to my braids. But oh well, we'll do it next time. So using my Denman brush, I'm going to evenly distribute the product through and a flat twist this section. Here we are the following morning, and it's time for the takedown. Before doing so, I'm just going to lightly oil my hands. Who am I kidding? I'm not lightly oiling anything. You see those? I have a lot of oil on my hands. That helps reduce frizz and further moisturizes the hair. But yeah, I'm just going to take that down, and then we'll hop right into the styling process. Here is the curl pattern I achieved using the 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner. My curls are soft, bouncy, and defined. I'm going to apply more of the styling gel to the perimeter of my hair and prepare to brush it up into a high puff. Now to hold my puff in place, I'm just going to double loop a hair tie. Sometimes I use a pantyhose, either or, but today I decided to go with the hair tie, and I'm just going to place that directly behind the twist and focus on pushing the back part of my hair upwards. And of course, a hairstyle wouldn't be complete without a few accessories. So I'm just going to apply these little, what do you call these? Hair jewels throughout the front of the twist and fluff out the puff. Here is the final look at today's hairstyle. Comment down below and let me know what you think. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. All of the products featured in this video can be found at a Rite Aid store near you and online at www.themainchoice.com. I am Shari Shine, and until next time, peace and blessings.